Mix it. Mix it.
Yeah, like, my son was one of my here. I got to jump up with yellow. Vlogmas, day 15.
Abbi,
Wow.
you look at green. Get up. I'm gonna wash your tail from baby tail. Nasty. Move. What's up, AC gang? You don't know, say boy Capo there. I'm back with another prank pan Abbi. Yeah, guys, this time I'm gonna pull a wicked prank pan her. I'm gonna put her jewelry in the jello and put it in the fridge and make it set. I'm gonna come back up at the road, guys. I'm gonna show it and see how she's gonna react to it, guys. If you're new to the page, please smash the like button and comment down below. Guys, the water already a boil on the fire. Come I'm gonna try it hurry up and do it so I can put it in the fridge before I go in. Comment Team Capo down below and follow up on Instagram right down here. So, yeah, people, subscribe to Abbi's Madness, Capo's TV, and don't forget to go subscribe to Abbi and Capo Comedy TV. Guys, I'm not sure if them can actually go into the hot water, but you're gonna find out right now. Some people now, I put this in another bag in case they got damaged, but this now, they're going to see me. Them say hot water first, you know, people. Hot water first, you know. So if I mix it out, so now what them say? Wait, there was instruction there. Alright, them say add 2.5 cups of boiling water to 4 pack. To 4 pack, right? It's so down. The more I use 1 pack. And not too much water in there. Anyway, what's it now? Every 3 minutes until it completely dissolves. I'm going to stir it, guys, and see what I'm going. But I feel like I add too much water in there, but here I know. Alright, I'm going to go. I have a next pack, and I'm pack it. I'm going to shoot another one there in there. I'm doing this, I'm doing one. Boom, the spoon gonna do. Ah, shit. I don't have much time, you know, guys. I'm there, I can't send you a mad money, you know. I'm putting by to them, man. This must work now. Put in more in there.
Mix it.
Smash the like button, people. Smash the like button. Kitchen nice, you know. No joking in the kitchen. Alright, guys. It's most ready now. I'm gonna put the cold water in there now. I mix. What you say? Add boiling water, add cup of cold water. Stir it same way, and then put it in the fridge for 4 hours. Okay. Alright, guys. I'm done mix it now. I put in the glasses in it. As I say, it in my bag in case nothing happen. It's good. So here goes the glass and the bag wash and freeze. So no, so the jello now waste. It now go waste. So here now. People, you now go. If I take it to the block, you now go settle in there. Remember. You know, stir. What do you think about that long time? Alright. Now we attack, people. Now we attack. And this now, in there. We're good now, people. We're good now. See there? I hold you this. Now it's going in the fridge until I come back off of the road to smash the like button.
One eternity later.
What's up, guys? I just come back off of the road. Well, about an hour I'm come back. I'm gonna say, yo, I'm gonna check on the thing now and see if it's ready. See if I can put the prank on and I want to see a reaction so forward. Alright, guys, see there? I don't know if that's really work, but I'm gonna try and turn it over. I don't know still. I don't know if I'm gonna do it. I don't know if it's gonna work, guys. I'm gonna turn it over. It's gonna drop out and mash up. I don't know. But I want to do that so you can, you know, flip it over and thing. Alright, guys, so I'm link on the back. Guys, to let you know, I'm kind of nervous. Like, I'm not sure if it's gonna work. If I try and turn it over, I'm just carrying the same like it is right now. Because I don't want to turn it over and it's spoil the whole idea. Because I want to actually see it in there. But I don't want to do it by the top part, you know, guys. But I don't know. See there? Alright, guys, I don't know. Like, I'm not sure if it's gonna work. I want to turn it over. But I don't know if it's gonna drop out or what. I shake and things to people. But I don't know. That shake, you know? That shake on the place. Alright, guys, so I just carry on the same way like this and make sure I tell her to eat some, you see me? And see if she can react on forward. Alright, guys, I'm going there right now. Sure, I get ready. I want one. Say them, I want to come for. I'm going there now, guys. I hope it's working, people. Smash the like button. Abbi! Come back, real nasty, man. How you do?
Yeah, I feel them for. You wanna tell her?
Yeah, but I want to see reaction and I get the jello.
Eh?
Let's see if I see reaction.
You make it good?
It's a shit on the place, so I guess it make good still.
Shit enough.
So come.
So a woman sell
See fork, yeah. See spoon, yeah.
Damn, that's nasty.
Oh shit. Looking at it.
Yeah, somebody, you know, you have to watch them because the thief, them come in a woman farm too.
Yeah. Hey, no more try to pick it up and make it look more neater still, but it Abbi, think we can pick it up and make it look neater? Don't dig it up! Bomba, don't dig it up, Abbi. Man, try to pick it up. Don't dig it up! Put back that. Bomba, that actually working now.
What? Why you do it?
More flick it, Abbi. No, no more. Hold on, more flick it over. It is good? No, no more, wait now.
Hey, I'm a pussy. Yeah.
No vex with me. No, no more. No, please, no more. More flick it over, Abbi. Give me back. Alright, guys. So she not kill me, so I'm gonna try and flick it over now. She not really vex. A good thing that, you know, she not really vex. So now I'm gonna try and flick it over and put it in another plate here. I got hard, so I can't do it on camera, but I'm come back on the seat. Here comes the jello again. Abbi, I can't believe I say more prank, you know. As somebody want to look, you know. Oh boy, as somebody want to look.
This don't look like anyone, this.
Achoo, man, it's neater than that. Everything should be in one box. But I know I'm going to do next time. I'm not prank I give everything, but I have an idea how we going to do next time. Yeah. How call me?
Oh, yes. Can I eat it?
Hello, good day. Okay. Alright, just come and upon the highway so we can left out. Okay.
It's sweet, no?
Yes. Yeah, man.
It's sweet, man, Capon.
Few moments later.
Yes, guys, more up to the end of the video, guys. It was a short little prank. I'm saying one put on Abbi and come buy the jello. Them say, yo, I got prank her with it. But look on her, so Abbi I mash up the jello without. She don't care about nothing.
Oh, Capon, look here. Which color glass is this?
No, I'm pink one. It's turning full red now. And you can't really see me. So, okay, Abbi. Okay. Yeah, guys, smash the like button. Subscribe to the channel if you're new. Is it them prank you come up with? Oh my god. Abbi, so where that Julie there when I something? You take it already? Where did something so? Oh, what is for my father, God? No, guys, this is serious. Subscribe to Abbi and Capo Comedy TV.
So I really put my damn arm.
You find it already?
You don't see it disappear in Nigeria.
Subscribe to Abbi's Madness.
What a good girl, somebody this whole farm business, but
Okay. Subscribe to Capo's TV, people. Yeah, man. So, you don't know, Team Capo is out.